Welcome to Google Nest. Let's set up your Chromecast with Google TV. Your Chromecast with Google TV includes a Chromecast, a power cable, a power adapter, a voice remote, and 2 AAA batteries. To use your Chromecast with Google TV, you will also need a Google account, the Google Home app, and a Wi-Fi network connected to the internet. First, put the batteries in your remote. Next, plug your Chromecast into an HDMI port on your TV. Then connect the power cable to the Chromecast and plug it into a power outlet. Turn on your TV and switch the input to the HDMI port your Chromecast is plugged into. If your remote is not paired, you will see Start Pairing on your TV screen. To begin pairing, press and hold the back and home buttons on your remote at the same time until you see a pulsing light on your remote. Then release the buttons. When the connection is confirmed, you're ready to use your remote for setup. You will use the navigation and select buttons to choose your options. Next, select your language. Now let's set up your Chromecast in the Google Home app on your phone or tablet. If you don't have a Google account already, go to accounts.google.com to set it up. Then download the Google Home app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Open the Google Home app and tap Set up Chromecast. The app will display nearby devices. Tap on Chromecast. If multiple devices are found, choose the one that matches your Chromecast ID in the upper left corner of your TV screen. Then scan the QR code. The app will guide you through setup. You will choose the room in your home where you'll use your Chromecast, select your Wi-Fi network, and sign into Chromecast using your Google account. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that will be used to set up your Chromecast. Next, set up Google Assistant so you can use your voice remote. If you already have Voice Match set up on another device, Google Assistant will automatically be connected. Now select the services you want to use with Google TV. These will be used to personalize your Google TV experience. Then choose what you'd like to show on your TV when it isn't being used. Confirm the summary of your setup on the Google Home app, and then tap Done. Now you'll use your remote to finish setup on your TV. You can use your remote to control your TV, soundbar, or receiver. If your brand of TV is detected, your remote will set up automatically. If your brand of TV is not detected, select what you'd like to use to play sound. Then select your device. Next, set up your remote to control the TV volume and power. The streaming services you choose during setup will now be installed. Your Chromecast with Google TV is now ready to use.